Hi and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some great gift ideas. Do you have someone in your life that could do with some creative therapy? Well, let's give a gift of that. So here I have some wonderful ideas that you can give as a gift. Here on my channel, I love air dry clay projects, and so what better gift to give than some air dry clay? There are lots of other ideas in this video, but if we start off with our air dry clay, I'm sure there will be someone in your life that would love these gifts. A starters pack can include a chopping board, some clay and some cookie cutters. Then there's options to add all of the extra bits. You could add some acrylic paint, some varnish, sponges, paintbrushes, clay tools. Just buy products to whatever budget you've set, or you can look at my video here and often find lots of tools and equipment for air dry clay that are just around our home. But wrap them in some cello wrap or some brown paper and add a lovely bow, and what a lovely gift to receive. It doesn't have to be that expensive, but it sure is really thoughtful. Add a personalised tag and you'll really make someone's day. Maybe try and introduce your friend or relative into a new craft. Have they tried resin before? Here I have a beginner's kit that comes out really reasonably, and you get absolutely everything you need to start crafting and creating with epoxy resin. Take a look at the link below. This one really is quite affordable. If the recipient loves to make handmade gifts, then this is perfect. This one's a jewellery kit and it comes with all the little moulds. It really is quite cute. Comes with all the fastenings as well, and you just need to create a way and enjoy the project. If you're liking it, maybe one that you could add onto your gift list too. What I love about this kit is they're small moulds. You can have a play and experiment and not use up too much resin in the process. This other epoxy resin kit is just a variation on that jewellery kit, but here you get some different moulds, so depending on what you might like to create. Because the moulds are bigger and you get less moulds, you actually get more of the epoxy resin in this kit. Here's the comparison in size to the last kit, so you just get that bit more epoxy resin and some lovely things to add in there, some floral bits and some glitters. Currently the same price as the other kit, and really quite a bargain as a ready-made gift. Lots of craft items come in multi-packs, and this can be really great if you've got lots of little gifts to give, and so I split these multi-packs up so that I can give more than one gift from these. Little cellophane or card bags are really handy to put these in. Mine have a top tab, so I just cut these off with scissors, and then you can collect together some items that go together with whichever craft you're using. So here I have some polymer clay and some little cookie cutters. Include any items you wish, add a bow and a personalised message, and there you have a really cute craft gift. Making what's normally a really budget-friendly gift too. Think about the type of gift that your friend or relative would really enjoy and include something a little bit different. Here I'm adding some fabric and some fabric pens and some scissors and some thread, and your friend or relative could make a really cute craft project with this. And you can create many little gifts using this or stocking fillers, really quite budget friendly. But selecting and packaging gifts like this and adding a little tag makes it really personal and thoughtful. I sure appreciate a gift like this with thought and effort gone into it. If you want to make that little bit more effort, you can make some cute tote bags like these. I have a little video on how to make them, and add some gifts and a little tag, and that would be a beautiful gift. Going back to some resin, I absolutely love this resin kit. It comes with 12 little coloured bottles of UV resin, all ready to use. The resin needs either sunlight or a little UV nail lamp to cure it. And so many cute projects can be made with this, and I do make some of these over here on my channel. Again, if someone hasn't used resin before, this is a really great introductory kit, and you get all these colours included. I love a sketch pad, I really do, and I think one of these hardback ones make a really lovely gift. A friend gave me one about a year ago with a really lovely quote on the front in some gold pen, and I absolutely love it. I thought it was a really wonderful and thoughtful gift. So think of a personalised quote that you could use and either handwrite or print this and add a little clip on the front and package it up all beautiful, and there is really quite a useful and budget-friendly gift for anybody that loves to create and craft. Another option is to add in some dip pens and some ink. I actually made these pens on another video, so please do take a look at that. These would make a gorgeous gift to add in with the sketch pad. Personalised aprons are also really great for your favourite crafter. Hopefully you feel the same as me, but all of these so far I would absolutely love to receive as a gift. I have just received this bag making kit as a gift and I absolutely can't wait to get started on it. It's something I've never tried before and I'm really looking forward to getting stuck into. These kits include absolutely everything you need to make your leather bag, and there are videos to follow along with as you create. Take a look at Babylon Leather, and if you'd like 20% off, add the discount code that you see on the screen now. I made a start and I'm absolutely loving it. We're moving upscale in the budget. I now have an amazing laser engraver. I absolutely love this little portable laser engraver. You can make so many projects with it, and you know these do make some really great gifts for those that are really serious about creating those unique and bespoke items. If you're looking to spend a bit more on someone really special, then this is something to consider. Packaging gifts is really one of my favourite parts of the process, and if you can make your gift look extra special and really look like you've put the effort in, I often save the little boxes and things like this, get some wallpaper, cover them over, and then get together some of the recipients' favourite items or items you think they will enjoy, something crafty or some food and nibbles. All things like that. They look beautiful when wrapped up together like this, and I sure do love receiving gifts like this. I hope you've enjoyed this video and come back to see some more of my creative videos and get lots of project ideas for all these creative gifts that you're giving. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.